welcome back. Thank you so much for coming by. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Now in today's video, it's a luxury haul. I got these items at a great bargain, and I said, you know what, I'm going to buy like a spring summer haul for myself and my family, so my son, my husband and myself. So the first thing I got is, let's open together and see what it is. I love to unbox, and I think when the weather is so good, this is when you want to buy something cute, so these sandals, you guys, can you see them? They're strappy sandals, so let's just open them. Wow, don't you all love this? Yes, the brand is Versace, and I like because they have really good quality items. I mean, apart from like the printed, those are things that really the prints, like the Versace prints, I don't really like, but plain items like this are amazing. And then their craftsmanship is top notch. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that. It's just a cute piece, guys. I love this. I love this. And then it comes with this, straps. So I'm going to show you when I wear it how it looks over here on the screen. So this is how it is. It is so cute. Look at that. After a good pedicure, this is what you need. And then guess what? These come with also a dust bag, I think. I need and this one. This is an authentication card. Just in case maybe in the future you want to sell it or what. It comes with this, and then it comes with the model and like the description of the model and everything. So it's in here in this little envelope. So this is a cute sandal for this time, for spring summer. This is amazing. I'm sure this is going to be my favorite, especially for summer. But you guys know that I like Versace, especially, as I said, things that are not printed, like the gold print and all that. Like my bag here, I've had this for a while and I like it, and it's amazing. This was a Medusa crystal, Medusa with the crystals. It's an amazing bag, and it is a very it was limited edition, this one, and I love it. It's like cute, and I like to have this, so I really take care of it. So I like Versace pieces because the craftsmanship is just top notch. Like this is, I think, calf leather, and it's just been a really good bag. Look at that. And I've had it, I think this is my second plus something year. So yeah, the next piece I got, let's find out. Yes, this is what I was talking about. It comes with a dust bag, and then this is just an indication of what is the item, the code and all that. Let's open it, guys. This is how it is. I like unboxing. Who else feels like when they're unboxing something, it's always like there's this really amazing feeling, excitement and all that. So let's see what's here. You guys, I like a really nice sandal heel that is look at that. Look at this baby. Sitting pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. And it fits me perfectly. It's good that I took a 38 and a half This is 38.5. This is in lamb leather. Very nice. Yes. Lamb leather 38.5. So cute one. Right. We have these. This is the large one. Yeah. Wow. I saw this shoe and I was like, you know what? Because these are the moccasin my husband likes for this period. And I was like, I'm not sure about the color because it has so many colors. But I mean, it's a casual shoe and you can wear it with jeans, with some nice khakis. So it's okay. It's fine. So this is how it comes. And plus, it's just a casual shoe. So there's no problem. So there's a medusa inside here. A little one because he doesn't like too much, you know. And yeah, the colors, the red in it. I wish it was just probably old white, but anyway. And then that's how it is in the inside, and this is how it is from the out. I told you guys that their craftsmanship is just amazing. And this is, let me see what kind of leather it is. Moccasin calf leather suede. So just a second. Yeah, calf leather suede. This is, how is it, how do you say it? Suede. So this is going to be, you know, I think, let me pick something for him as well. So and then for the young boy, I got this nice sandals. This one's for summer. Oh my goodness, look at these. Look at these. Wow. So these are really cute for summer, right? So I got him this as open shoes because usually he has an open and then another like a kind of a sneaker for summer. So this is like the open one. And then we have this one here. This one here, let me show you close by. Yep, it's cute. This one he has worn it once, so yeah, couldn't wait. And I said, you know what, it's his shoe, so he can do whatever he wants with it. So this is a mix of, you know, fabric and leather. So yeah, but they're all cute. These two was this t-shirt. I'm going to show you because I've worn it before, like I've tried it on before. It's so cute. It has this Versace embroidery on it, and then it has some stones, and then it comes with some extra stones just in case you lose some. You can still, oops, you can still have some here. Maybe, how many are they? Like 4, 5, no, 6 actually. So here, these are the stones. I don't know if you can see, but I'll try and show you a photo that is up close. So yeah, so this is going to be like, you know, an easy t-shirt that you can wear with your shorts and stuff for this period. Another item that I got, and you guys, is this one. This is how the robe is. It has some Greek patterns, if you can see. And then this is how it is, you know. Can I have some champagne, please? Yeah, like some really rich auntie vibes. This is it. Like, I'm all for this kind of life. I like life and I love life. Yeah. Like on Saturday you wake up and you don't want to, you know, like do so much breakfast. You can have this. How is this? This is so cute. I love this. I love this. I'm going to show you on the screen my full when I try it on. But I love this. I love this. Hey love.
Hey.
I have a birthday gift for you.
Oh my god. Ay, fantastico.
Ecco.
Oh my god, this is awesome.
Yeah. Because you deserve it.
This is the bag I always like to
have.
have. Yeah. Oh my god, this one.
Yes.
Fantastic. Oh my. Wow. Versace.
Exactly.
That is just fantastic. I have no words. I have speechless.
Speechless. Frenchman.
Ooh, I'm so happy. Thank you.
You like it?
Yeah.
You love the color? I know you
love
like
the
blue.
color. You really love the color. I can already think about
How you going
matching
to...
it with some. Yeah, I have a lot of ideas now.
Oh my goodness. Wow. You know, I was thinking this is the blue you like.
Yeah.
The shade of blue you
Yeah,
like.
yeah.
Oh.
It's
So,
just fantastic.
can you imagine putting your computer inside here? Just hold it one more time up there.
Yeah, of course. I put my computer in and then some documents and. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Actually, I needed a new bag. So you really thought I did very well, I think.
Wow.
Okay.
So now you have a new bag.
You remove the price, then?
Of course. Look at this man.
I just wanted to have an idea.
No.
But I know the cost of this bag. So
Exactly. But you like it?
I like it.
Okay.
I like it. Thank you very much.
Enjoy, my love.
Thank you.
You deserve it.
Oh, guys, I'm on my way. I'm coming. Woo!
Okay.
Woo, woo, woo.
Easy like a Sunday morning. Can we choose to the good life? Ooh. This robe is giving, relaxed, luxury, you're there, you're doing your thing, but you have something that's, it feels good. It has great fabric actually. So this is good. Cheers, you guys.